Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yo guys, there's this guy called Ustutuzo, Situtuzo, that is basically saying Uvuyola's husband Usabelo is owing him. He wrote to Usabelo's attorneys, and the letter says, "Good day. I trust this letter finds you well." Okay, I'm not going to read everything because I read it already. He's basically saying Xolani owes him an outstanding amount of over 20,000 rands. He says that he helped Xolani get or book a gig, a TV for a food not a food channel, for a TV channel. So he was going to be doing the catering for that TV channel. And then kushukuthi maybe with these catering services, you need to have some sort of amount because obviously client is not going to pay 100% upfront. Sabelo did not have some of the stored up money for that tender. And then this guy, Usitutuzo, again, borrowed him money, and that's the money that he's saying Xolani has not paid. So guys, now it's a to and fro thing. Xolani on his side, he's posting his proof. Xolani says that he sent some of the money to his friend, to this guy, Situtuzo's friend, and kushukuthi the guy, Situtuzo's friend, only told Ustutuzo about the payment 3 months back. So Xolani, it seems like he's saying something like the people who Ustutuzo are working with are the people who are robbing him and the people who are lying to him. So Xolani posts screenshots of, a whole lot of things and basically says to Ustutuzo ukuthi he must stop trying to ruin his name, that he doesn't owe him money, and that he must stop trying to use his marriage to trend. He says ukuthi there's even some other chef that says Xolani owes him. So basically Xolani is saying ukuthi people are coming out here and they're trying to trend and they're trying to make money out of him. And Xolani is saying ukuthi they're taking advantage because usebenze UK, because he works in the UK, and many of these people just are taking advantage of him. They are acquiring. So something like, when someone gives you a tender, they want a certain part or certain percentage of the money you're going to get paid. So Xolani is saying they are wanting over and above what is actually given to them. So yeah, guys, kuningi. But anyway, he says with him, Xolani says Ustutuzo, he must post his proof if he wants to. He must leave him alone. It looks like Xolani blocked Ustutuzo because Ustutuzo started swearing Xolani, and Xolani says, listen, this is where I draw the line. The moment you swear at me, I draw the line right there and then. Now, when I went to Ustutuzo's page, guys, Ustutuzo, you can see he is in the entertainment industry. I saw Uzalo, something with Uzalo SABC1, so I don't know what really he does there, but I'll put something on the screen for you guys to see. Yeah, he's basically saying Xolani is lying, that Xolani does still owe him money. And yo, guys, angaz with him. Xolani also said Ustutuzo must stop doing drugs, and if he wants money, he must ask nicely. But Ustutuzo's posting proof of times that he's tried to call Xolani. Xolani did not answer the call. There's even a voice note of when Xolani sends a voice note to Ustutuzo telling him that he's gonna pay month end. So Ustutuzo's basically saying Xolani would say, yo, I'm gonna pay, and the amount is going to reflect within 72 hours, or say something about he's gonna pay and then the money would not come in. So angazi-ke kusho ukuthi because Xolani blocked Ustutuzo, that means Ustutuzo just needs to take the legal route. If he does believe that Xolani truly does indeed owe him, that's the route he's gonna have to take, because Xolani akazingeni, guys. But hey, I don't know, guys, if this is a sad thing or what, because Xolani is saying that this guy is using his marriage There's some part where there's a screenshot where he's like, so if you don't want to pay my money, saying you're ifuna, like I'm gonna get your money from, and then they erase the name. But when I'm trying to read in between, it looks like the person is Ustutuzo saying he's gonna get the money from Uvuyoga's win. And I'm just like, yo, guys, I don't know if this publicity that Polan is getting, if it's gonna, give him a good name. But guys, to be a chef, like it's a lot of work. And I know that your reputation does matter. And I guess that's why Orlan is threatening and saying, listen, don't try and ruin my image. I really hope that for his good, that all this that's been going on, that it doesn't ruin his name. But it's too much. It's too much, guys. Anyway, tell me what you guys think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next video.